Hi, this is Noemi from Jackie Bean. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the longtail cast on method using a slip knot. I'm going to show you guys how to cast on. So first we're going to make a slip knot. And I have another video about that. Here's our slip knot. We're going to tighten it. We're going to put our needle through. Make sure the stitch is snug but not too tight. And then we have the tail end of our yarn is long enough for the cast on, and it's at the bottom. And grab these two strands of yarn, and we're gonna put our index finger and thumb through these two yarns, and with the other fingers we're gonna grab onto the yarn, and we are going to go on the outside of our thumb, the inside of our finger, and pull through the loop on our thumb and tighten it. Let me show you again. So we're gonna grab the yarn, gonna put the two finger and thumb through that. We're going to go on the outside of the thumb, the inside of the finger through the loop and tighten. You wanna make sure your stitches are snug but not too tight. Let me show you again. We're gonna go on the outside of our thumb, the inside of our finger, pull through the loop on the thumb and pull it tight. Let me show you in slow motion. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and leave all your questions in the comments below. You can find all the yarn I used in this video on my website at JackieBean.com. Thank you for watching!